Then you need to scroll down gently and click on data and privacy. Then here you are going to see view my activities. So let's wait for it to load up. So here is my activities, my Google activities. So in order for you to delete whatever you want to delete, so you're meant to choose if you want to delete the last hour or last day or all time. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want to delete and delete it. So that is on how to delete your Google activity. If you found this video helpful, as of come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on this channel. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.